Hi folks, welcome to IORgLiveMonth again. Today is day 9 and today we talk about conversation in a completely different way. We talk about video. Mom, I'm live. You cannot call. Yes, I'm not coming for lunch today, okay? Yeah. So today we talk about videos and how it's important to have video conversation. So in the conversation week, one thing that I think still many of you and many people still don't do is to have proper conversations on video. So we still, I mean, that's not only the impression, but also using and working in a big corporate for several years. Still many, even nowadays, right, are using mostly the phone or this kind of conference call where many people are, typing a special number and getting there, or just emails, right, and or face-to-face meeting. But there is a big space for video communication, particularly if your colleagues are all around the world, or particularly if you deal with customer or external people. Instead of just the phone, video gives you a completely different dimension, right? And it's being, I think, probably a couple of years I'm not being using any conference call anymore. I'm just using video tools, and that's amazing. And the only thing you need to do to make video tools is to be ready for it and know what are the options. So, for example, my favorite tool, so Zoom is the total favorite for me because it's easy, it's free, everybody can use it, and it's amazing in terms of how it works. And you can have group conversation and also individual conversation. Then you have Skype that probably is more popular and everybody already knows. My granny and my mother are using Skype quite normally. Then we have appearing. It's interesting and free. Try to get to that place. It's only on the browser, but every of this is also mobile friendly. We have Cisco WebEx. There is Google Hangout. So there are, and plus you also have in the mobile a lot of solutions like WhatsApp or Snapchat or Facebook Messenger that you can also talk on the browser, Viber and so on. So there are so many free tools that you can really seriously think about using them instead of using just the phone, particularly for working. We all then go at home and we all do it with our families. Why don't we bring it in the office? The only thing you need to be ready with the office is to know these tools so that the first time you use them, maybe there is a little plugin to be installed. Have them also on your phone so you can be on the way. One thing to buy is something that allows you to have good audio. So headset, for example, and now let me just switch with the different. You can have headset that are ensure you that you have a much better quality of audio. So just do a little, and the video camera that is there, that's actually important as well to have, right? So if you don't have a video camera, you can buy a webcam, and it's really few bucks. It's never an expensive thing. Another thing you can use is you can use the so on top of the headset that is important, you might be able as well to use, for example, if you have an iPhone or a smartphone, there are the normal cables for the smartphone that are also good because they also have a good microphone. So that's a generally good solution. So I think this is the only equipment that you need to use. Then try to not have a window behind you when you just have the video call and a light in front so that you look good. That's the only thing to consider. Let's bring back video conversation to when we are ready for it, then we can have even more of this kind of video conversation. It's good. It avoids information overload because many things can happen much more quickly. In the phone still, even if it's a good idea, the phone, you might have situation when the quality of the audio is not so good. You might also have situation when by not seeing the other person, you still have a little bit of detachment. Nowadays we can do videos from anywhere. You see much more. You see the people. You met them in a different way, and also the level of conversation uh, goes beyond the normal, usually phone conversation. So let's get some good conversation over video. That's day 9. So you can start with the first colleagues you have. If you never had a video conversation, try it out. You will see how amazing it is. Bye bye, and see you tomorrow with day 10 and another day about conversation. Ciao.